Hey, today I want to show you 3 of my favorite can't live without apps that I need to run my microblading studio. The first is Trello, and I use this for to-do lists and organizing my content ideas. The next is Square and Square Invoices. Very important that you use both of them together to schedule appointments and to also collect deposits and then have them all sync together. And then the last one is InShot, which I use to edit this video. It's what I use to edit all of my videos. There is a paid version. I do have the paid version. It is not pricey. It's, I think, $20 for the year, but there's also a free version as well. It is amazing for editing all types of videos together. So let's check them out. In Trello, you create boards, which are just basically different lists. And then within each list, you can create different lists and then add tasks to that list. So this is my to-do list for the week for Tuesday. And then see, like, if I've done my run, I can move it over to Wednesday. Or if I didn't complete that day, I can shift it over to another day. I also use Trello to make lists of content ideas and content that is performed well. And I'll even use it to help me plan out my online course content. Next up is Square, the online booking portion of it, but I also use Square for payments and Square Invoices. So the cool thing about Square Invoices is it syncs with your actual Square account. So if you want to send an invoice for a deposit, this is a really easy, free way to do it. You can add your contacts if they're saved right in Square. And then I always have a $100 deposit appointment saved. And then I can just click continue and send that invoice right off to my client and get their deposit paid. And finally, InShot. And this is what I use to edit this actual video and all of my video content, whether it's for Instagram, YouTube, course content. This is what I use to edit videos. So once I choose the video I want to edit, you can see that it loads up in here, and then you can add transitions if you're putting 2 videos together. You can also add voice recordings. So that's exactly what I'm doing here, showing you, telling you what is being done in the video. So you can add that, you can add sound effects, but you can also add text. And you can also add stickers. So there's GIF, there's stickers, there's lots of things that you can add to the screen to make it look really interesting. You can also add PIP, or I call it PIP, it's PIP, and basically it's adding a photo into your video. So you can just click on PIP and then choose the photo that you want to add in and then add it anywhere on the screen. So if you're talking about something, you can add that in. Next up, you can change the speed of the video. So if one part you want going faster or going slower, you can do that super easily. And finally, one of the really cool settings is that you can cut out or remove the background in one simple click. So those are my 3 must-have, go-to favorite apps for running my microblading business. Do you use any of these? Do you have any apps that I don't know about? I'm sure there's so many out there. I put out new videos like this every week. If you have something specific that you want to learn how to do or learn more about, please shoot me a DM or leave a comment. I want to make videos that help you run your business better. I'll see you then.